what you have to do is you have to color every sixth number on the number grid of 100 and complete the table of 6. What we have to do, we have to color every sixth number, and then there's one grid. Okay, there's one grid of 100. Now we here in this grid we have to color every sixth number, every sixth number. Okay, so we'll count and we'll color every sixth number and then we'll complete the table of 6. Okay, so we'll start from 1. We have to color every sixth number. We'll start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here sixth number is number 6. So we will color number 6. Color that number 6, everyone, and you have to color that box properly. Color it. Okay. Yeah. Tanishka, start now. You have to color number 6. Okay, fine. This is done. Now after 6 again you have to color the next sixth number. Sixth number. So after 6 start counting 6 numbers 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now the sixth number is 12. So we will color this box where 12 is written. So we will color the number 12. Color number 12 now. Okay, fine. Now, Tanishka, you tell me after 12. Tell me the sixth number after 12. Tanishka, after 12, count 6 numbers.
31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 18, ma'am.
Very good. So next 6 number will be 18th. So we will color number 18th. Okay. So color number 18, everyone. Yes, children, do it fast. Yes, Eviki Ganesh.
We should color with one color.
You can use different colors also, but do not use black color.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, now Akshaj, after 18, next, tell me the next sixth number after 18. Tell me the next sixth number after 18. Quickly. Yes. 24. Okay, that's correct. So after 18th, next number is 24. So we will color number 24. And you have to color that complete box. Okay, I am not coloring it properly because I am using cursor. Okay. Fine. Now next. Shri Hassan.
Ma'am.
After 24, tell me the next number. You have to color every sixth number after 24. Count sixth number. Start counting.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 30.
Very good. So next number is 30. Very good. Shrivas, after 30. Shrivas. Shrivas, are you there or not?
36, ma'am.
36. Okay, that's correct. So after 30, next number will be 36. Okay. Now after 36. AVK Ganesh, after 36, next number. Tell me the sixth number after 36. Count 6 numbers and then tell.
42.
What?
42.
42. Okay, that's correct. So we will color number 42. Okay. Ashwita Nalla, unmute yourself and tell me next number. After 42.
42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 48.
Very good. Next number will be 48. So we will color number 48. Dhriti Rathi, next number. After 48.
Ma'am, 54.
Very good. So next number will be 54. And remember children, we are coloring every sixth number in this grid to complete 6 table. Okay. Okay. Lohit,
Yes, ma'am.
next number after 54. Quickly. Count. After 54, count 6 numbers.
60.
Yeah, that's correct. So your next number will be 60. Okay, that's correct. Now, okay, children. So now, are there count and tell me how many numbers we have colored till now? How many numbers? Count. No. Total, how many boxes we have colored? How many numbers we have colored?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, ma'am.
Yes. So we have colored 10 numbers, or we can say we have colored 10 boxes here, right? And whenever we are writing table, generally we write table till 10, right? So this means that we have completed our 6 table. Okay, we have colored 10 numbers now. This means that we have completed our table. Fine. So now what you have to do, now you have to use pencil and you have to complete your 6 table. Now downside one box is there, right? So you have to fill in that box. Space is there, right? So your first one is 6 ones are, which is the first number? We have colored the number 6, so 6 ones are 6. After 6 we have colored number 12, so we will write here next number 6 twos are 12. Start writing children. After that, next number we have colored 18. So 6 threes are 18. And I am saying here, no, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. You also have to repeat. Okay. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Then 6 threes are 18. Okay. Now we have to write 6 fours are how much? Yes, Akshaj.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I completed the whole page, ma'am.
Okay, Akshaj, very good. Thank you so much for completing your work. Thank you. Okay, 6 threes are 18. After 18, which number? We have colored the number 24. So 6 fours are 24. After 24, which number? We have colored the number 30. So 6 fives are 30. 6 fives are 30. After 30, which number? We have colored number 36. So we will write here 6 6 are 36. After that, we have colored the number 42, so 6 sevens are 42. Then next we have colored the number 48, so 6 eights are 48. Then 6 nines are 54, we have colored the number 54. And then last is 6 tens are 60. Okay, now children, what you have to do, I will repeat 6 table and you all have to repeat after me. Okay, so start repeating now. 6 ones are 6. I want to see your lip movement. Cameras on everyone, and I want to see your lip movement. Okay, 6 ones are 6. Then 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. Meghna, I can't see you. I can see your fan only. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. Ashrit, your camera is off. Akshaya, camera off. Jay, camera off. Shreyas, camera off. Anik, camera off. Suprati, camera off. Ashrita, Dhriti Reddy, Aslan, Bilvika, your cameras are off. Yes, Bilvika?
Ma'am, I am late joining. Can you please repeat again?
Bilvika, see, I'll just give you idea what we did. Okay, I cannot repeat this whole concept again. I'll tell you later on. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. So this is what we did. We question was we have to color every 6th number on the number grid. We have to color every 6th number on the number grid. Number grid is given to you. Now what we have to do, we have to count 6 numbers and then we have to color that. So our first number, if we'll start counting from 1, then our 6th number will be number 6. So we will color number 6. After coloring this number 6, again we will count 6 numbers. So we'll start counting from 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So our next 6th number is number 12. So we will color that number 12. Fine. Then after that, again, what we have to do, again we have to color the next 6th number. So again we'll start counting after 12. So our next 6th number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our next 6th number will be number 18. Number 18, right? So in a similar way, you will count this, you will count and color the every 6th number, right? And how many numbers we will color? We will color 10 numbers. Why we are coloring only 10 numbers in this number grid? Because we have to complete here 6 table, and generally when we write table, we write it till 10 only. We write it till 10 only. So we will color every 6th number, right? So here also we will color all the color every 6th number. Fine, we will color 10 numbers. After that, what we have to do, here 6 table is there. So what we'll do, we'll complete our 6 table. So we'll write the first number here. So 6 ones are 6. We have colored the first number 6. So we'll write here 6. Then 6 twos are how much? We will see which is the next number after 6. After 6, we have colored number 12. So we'll write here 12. Then after that, next number is 6 threes are how much? So after 12, we have colored number 18. So we'll write here number 18. In a similar way, we'll complete our whole table. Okay. Yes, children. So now, I hope this is clear to everyone. Now, open page number 1 of your math course book. Page number 1 of your math course book. Page number 1, write date in classwork. Page number 1. Yes, children, open page number 1. Write date in classwork. Okay, so this is group A, question number 1. Now what we have to do is, we have to count the balls and complete the table. What we have to do here, we have to count the balls and we have to complete the table. And if you will look at the table properly, you can see that this is a 5 table. This is a 5 table, and I hope most of you know 5 table, right? So, but we'll not write here 5 table directly. We'll count the balls and then we'll complete the table, right? So now if we talk about first one, how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls are there. So we will write here 1 5s are 5 in the first space. Okay. Now in second one, again we'll count the balls and we'll write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 balls are there, right? 10 balls are there. So we'll write here 10. Okay. Anixa, you count and tell me how many balls are there in third one.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3,
Quickly.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, ma'am.
Very good. So in the third one, there are 15 balls. We'll write here 15. That's correct. Aryan. Aryan. Advait, Aryan, are you there? Not there. Yes, Sri Hassan.
Ma'am, which page?
Page number 1.
1.
Yes, Akshat.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I completed the whole page, ma'am.
Okay, Akshat, very good. But next time, do not use this raise hand option just to tell I have completed the whole page, okay? Because I have told you that you can use this option only if you have any doubt. Yes, Krishika?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I want to tell answer.
Okay, Krishika, this is not the way. You cannot say that I want to tell the answer. I'll come to you one by one. I'll ask everyone one by one. And nobody should tell like that. Ashrit? Ashrit Rao?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, next one. Count the balls. How many balls are there? Fourth one. Quickly.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20.
Yeah, 20. So in the next one, 20 balls are there. Okay, that's correct. Yeah. After that, Ashrita, next, how many balls are there? Ashrita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, next, how many balls are there? Fifth one. Quickly count and tell.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 25 balls, ma'am.
Yeah, 25. So in the next page, we'll write here 20. Okay, that's correct. Hanvika.
Ma'am,
Yeah, next sixth one. How many balls are there? Count quickly, and you all should complete this by yourself. You just need to count the balls. Sixth one, Hanvika.
30.
30. Very good. Yes, like this, you all should give answers. Very good, Hanvika. 30, 30. You all should be very quick. Yes, that's the correct answer. Okay. Manvit. Manvit. Yes, next one. Seventh one. How many balls are there? 35. Very good. Very quick. So we'll write here 35. Okay, that's correct. Are there? Are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, next one. Eighth one. How many balls are there?
40, ma'am.
Very good. The next one, 40 balls are there. So we'll write here 40. Okay. Azlan. Azlan. Azlan, are you there? Not there. Dhriti Reddy. Dhriti Reddy. Akshay, unmute yourself and tell me answer for ninth one. How many balls are there?
45.
Very good. In the next one, 45 balls are there. Jay, last one, how many balls are there? Jay, 10th one. How many balls are there?
50.
50 balls are there. Very good. So we in the last one we'll write here 50. Yeah, that's the correct answer. Okay, children. So this is 5 table, right? Now you all will recall after me. Most of you know 5 table, right? So recall after me. Sorry. Repeat after me. Yes, Supratik.
Ma'am, what is the page number, ma'am?
Page number 1.
Page number 1.
Okay, so children repeat after me. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Again repeat after me. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Okay. So children, see, this is not your live class. I mean, this is obviously live class, but we are not in a classroom. So I cannot make you all repeat after me in front of me. So that's why I'm asking you all to keep your cameras on, but still most of you are not keeping your cameras on. The cameras are off. And you have to learn these tables, okay? Daily you have to learn and write tables, and I'll take oral test of tables. I'll tell you on which day. Fine. Now this is question number 2 on page number 1. Aryan, where were you? I called you so many times. Where were you?
Ma'am, I went to washroom.
Okay. Yes, children. So this is question number 2 on page number 1. Okay, this you all know. First one, 3 times 6. I've told you whenever it is like 3 multiply 6, we can write it as 3 times 6, right? In a similar way, if it is given to you that 3 times 6, what you have to do? you have to write it in 3. You can write it as 3 multiply 6, right? So what you have to do, you just have to, in place of this times, you just have to put multiply sign. It is already there. So what we will do, we will just write here 3 and 6. I've told you this thing on Monday, that if it is 3 multiply 6 or any other number, 5 multiply 2, 4 multiply 3, we can read it as 4 times 3 or 5 times 2, like that, right? So this is 3 times 6, so we can write it as 3 multiply 6. Next one, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, now Kushal, you tell me how many times we are adding this 5. We are repeating this 5 how many times, Kushal?
5 times, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So children, see here in second bit we are repeating 5. We are repeating number 5 how many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are repeating this number 5 times. So what we will do? We will write here 5 times 5. This means we are repeating number 5. How many times? 5 times. 5 times. Okay. Now your third bit is 6 multiply 7. 6 multiply 7. Right. So this means how many how many objects? Aditya Ram, tell me how many groups now? 6 multiply 7 means how many groups? 6 groups or 7 groups?
6 groups.
Very good. So this means 6 groups of how many objects?
7 objects.
Very good. This is 6 multiply 7. So we can read it as 6 groups of 7 objects. Very good, Aditya Ram. Very good. That's correct. Now, next one, D bit. Okay. Now, in D bit, you have to write here number. You have to repeat one number here, but we have to find out which number. They said dash plus dash plus dash plus dash is equal to 4 times dash equal to 28. Now, who can tell me that in 4 table when we will get 28? For this, we have to recall 4 table, right? Devansh? Devansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Devansh, do you know 4 table?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now tell 4 table quickly. Start. Yes,
Ma'am.
Devansh, start. Devansh. Devansh, start.
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
Devansh, I can hear you. Please start 4 table. You have muted yourself. Dhriti, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell 4 table quickly.
4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 6.
Wrong.
4
Wrong.
2s are 8.
Yeah.
4 3s are 12.
Yeah.
4 4s are
Dhriti, your camera should be on. This is not the way. It's wrong. Yes, Devansh. Unmute yourself, Devansh.
Okay, unmute.
Devansh.
Ma'am,
Yeah, start 4 table.
I want to tell what
Devansh, start. Please start.
4 ones are 4.
Fast, quickly.
8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 12. 16. 5 are 20.
Yes, yes. 4 6 are.
4 6 are 24.
Yes.
24.
Yeah.
4
4
7
7 are.
28.
4 7 are 28. Okay. 4 8 are.
4 8 are 32.
Yeah. 4 9 are.
4 9 are 30.
4 9 are.
36.
Yeah. And 4
4
10 are.
10s are 40.
4 10s are 40. Very good. So Devansh, in 4 table, when we got 40, when we got 28, 4 6 are or 4 7s are 28.
4 7s are 28.
Very good. So see children, in 4 table, we'll get 28 7 times. So 4 7s are 28. This means that here we have to repeat 7 how many times? 4 times. So children, write here 7 plus 7 plus 7 how many times? 4 times. We'll write here 7 4 times because in 4 table we are getting 28 7 times. 4 7s are 28. Yeah, and one more thing, today also you will learn and write tables in your notebook. I'll tell you which table. Now last bit is 45 equal to dash times 5. Okay, this you don't know because you haven't learned this table. Right, so write here 9. I'll tell you later on why we are writing here 9. In the last bit, write here 9. Because if we will repeat 5, sorry. If we are repeating